I did get excited.
There's more key guys trying. Oh, right there. You want to start? You want to start? Okay. I'm gonna work on names today. Hudson, here we go. Hudson, you're up first. Hudson, can you do the left-hand bracket first, please? What do we do?
We go 8, 8x.
Yeah. Very good. Awesome. Anthony, you're gonna go next, please. You to the right-hand side.
7.
Yeah. It's a big one. And this actually reminds me of a good thing. This is 4. I actually want to pause the video right now, in fact. Can everyone please come to the front and grab the times table? Everyone please come to the front and grab the times table. And can I join us? On the left-hand side, what are we getting rid of? What are we getting rid of on the left-hand side, please?
The minus 12.
What's the option? What?
The minus 12 is the 8x minus 12 plus 12.
Right here. All right. Jaden, I'd like to be brave, please. Do you know what 63 plus 12 is by any chance? Your calculator knows it's perfect.
Isn't it like 75?
It is 75. Perfect. Okay. So the way she got that, I think, is that she said, well, 60 and 10 is 70, and 3 and 2 is 5, so 75. Okay. Shoot. Vanessa, I'm sorry, I can't remember your name. Vanessa, last step here. What do we need to get rid of?
We get rid of the 7x.
Okay, what's the opposite of 7x? Very good. Is? The opposite of 7x is? What does it turn over? What does it turn into when you run it across? Negative. Very good. Yeah. 8x plus 7x. I cannot remember anyone's name. Sorry, Shaylin. 8x minus 7x is?
1x.
1x, exactly. So 1x or x. So 1x equals 75. Okay, 75 seems like a big number. Is it okay to have a big number for your answer?
Yes.
Yes. Is it okay to have a small number for your answer?
Yes.
Is it okay to have a decimal for your answer?
Yes.
Is it okay to have a negative for your answer?
Yes.
Okay, right? So it's, don't look at it and say, oh, that looks way too big, I must be wrong. Okay, there are some nice math teachers that will have every answer as 1 or 2 or 5, right? And then there are some mean math teachers like me that will have answers like 75. Okay, so which is all right. Right, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay. All right, let's get into our lesson today. Sorry, I'll give it a second here. Lucas, you're good. You're talking away. That's fine. I'll give you a second, Lucas. All right, here we go. So today's lesson is called. Oh, here we go. Using slope and y-intercept to graph lines.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. And this is more. I need to do this to you again today. Can you please, do you mind circling today just to encourage the people who are on the zone, because this is, as you know, Mrs. Moore. Actually, you don't have to get up, but as long as you do my eyes from back to class, how's that? Is that fair? Okay. Because this is one of the biggest things we learned in grade 9, and we use it in grade 10. I'm going right to the point this year. Okay, we're not playing around. This is just show you what to do and you're going to do it. Somebody last year, let's call him Ethan, said he hated slope in grade 9.
Oh, I did.
There is no reason to hate slope. Slope is the and you're with us still? Okay. Slope is the easiest thing in the world. I shouldn't say it's the easiest thing in the world, but it's something that once you understand the steps, it's very, very doable for everybody. Okay. So we're going to say we graph in the form y equals mx plus b. All right, I'll show you a second to write down, picking on out here. Okay? Because this was a huge part of grade 9, okay? So this was a huge part of grade 9, all right? So I'm hoping that it'll be a nice, good for people in grade 10. Okay, so if you don't quite remember, and I'm looking at you, I don't quite know why. Trust again. Okay, but just make sure that we understand what these statistics are. It's very important. I pick on Adam first, you can do the second one. Adam, do you recall at all what B or M stands for by chance? You got it? One of them?
No, this is like, when we did this last year, did we do like the lawn mowing and all that? Those questions, like.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did, yeah. So M is equal to slope. M actually stands for monte, for the French. The French people in class, Dale, what does monte stand for? Go ahead.
If you're on page something, that means you're lifting up.
Yeah, lifting up or climbing. Isn't it climbing? Isn't monte climb? I thought monte was climb.
That's climbing.
That's what?
Climbing.
Oh, and okay, lifting up is monte. Okay, anyway, so the slope is how much you're going up by. Okay, so then remember what slope equals in English. It's a fraction. It's a fraction. I don't know what slope equals. Rise over run. Awesome. Now this is the key point. So just remember this. On a graph, what is rise? Is that going to be x or is that going to be y? Go ahead.
Oh wait, no, sorry, Y.
Very good. Y to the sky. Thank you.
I thought L.
No, no problem. So y to the sky, like Mr. Moore said. So this is going to be your y values, and your run is going to be your x values. So when you get to grade 11, you deal with z, or maybe grade 12. Not grade.
Z?
Yeah. Z, so z would be coming out of the board. The life is in 3D. Yeah, it makes it like 3D. Okay, B is equal to your y-intercept, which equals your starting point. All we're going to do today is work examples on this and give you guys some time to try it on the board, and then we'll give you guys some homework at the end of the class for you guys to do at the end of class and this weekend. Okay? Yes, we're doing class stuff. Finish in class. Finish in class. Okay, so here we go. Here's example 1.
Sadler, Spider-Man was scared of bees.
Now, I heard a lot of people saying they don't like slope. The reason I like slope is because remember yesterday's lesson, that table, and it took you like 5 minutes to do the table, if not longer. Remember that? This is quick. This is so quick, it's ridiculous. It's that. Okay? All right, ready? Okay, so I'm going to start with M and I'm going to start with B. Okay, so can someone be brave? Sorry. What if Caleb? I can't believe I just forgot your name. Caleb. It's been a long week. Caleb, what's the slope of this one? Is it negative 3 over 2 or is it 1?
Slope.
Yeah. Negative 3 over 2. Very good. Okay. Negative 3 over 2. Just making conversation. If anyone says anything to Mrs. Moore, you're saying it to me, so please don't. Okay? I don't know if that ever happened, but if it does, Mrs. Moore, you know they're talking to me.
Hi,
not
Ms.
you,
Moore.
okay? I am the bad guy. Mrs. Moore is the good guy. Please remember that at all times. Okay? Always.
Hey, bad guy.
I'm saying Mrs. Moore is the good guy. I'm the bad guy. Always remember that.
You know, Mr. Sadler, you know what we should have someday?
What's
Like
that?
a 2K tournament.
We should one day. Okay, so here's the key point to this question. So let's refocus here, please. A rise of negative 3. Hold on, please. Rise is your y values. Okay? So sorry. Lucas.
Yes.
So if you're with negative 3, does that mean you're going to go up 3 or down 3? It's negative.
Negative 3?
Yeah. Very good. So this is going to be down 3. So everyone, hold on, please. So everyone see that? Negative 3 slope means you're going to go down 3. And a 2 means you're going to go then right 2. Not right 3, right 2. The bottom is always right. Okay, the top is either up or down. Up if it's positive, down if it's negative. You're always going to the right. Finally, Mason. How are you? Good. B is the y-intercept. What's the y-intercept going to be in this case? 1. For bonus points, there's no bonus points. Does anyone know what coordinate that's going to be on the graph? What comma what? Does anyone think back to last year?
Oh, we never did that last year.
We so did.
Where did we do that
What
one?
coordinate?
We did it all the time.
It's going to be 0, 1.
Oh, yeah,
Right on there with the 1 on 1, right? So, yeah. So again, if you don't remember this from last year, that's okay. That's what you paid the class today. Okay, right? But yeah, and if you don't remember me doing it last year, I swear to you, Aiden, we did this last year and lots of it. Okay, so take out your graph paper, please. Does anyone need another sheet? Yeah, so if you're kind of
You gonna fold it again? Hold it, please. I can't fold it.
Okay, so yesterday's sheet here. So if you take a look at my good friend Caleb. Caleb has graph, 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 and nothing here. So if he chooses, he can do his 4th graph here today. If he wants, he can flip to the back and do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so save paper. Is there any graph paper that wasn't here yesterday? You get graph paper? Okay. All right, so just a reminder to, I want to say Bryce, that's wrong though, isn't it? You're Hudson. No, you're Hudson. Who are you? You're Bryce. I thought you were Bryce. Hey, you're Bryce. I knew that. Right. See, you're Bryce. I thought you were Bryce. Okay, so Bryce wasn't here yesterday, so we got to help him out a little bit. When you make, hold on, please. So when we make a graph, first of all, you got to use a nice. Okay, just so we know, guys. Hold on, please. Okay, let me get through my lesson, please, and you guys can have your time. Okay. It's very distracting when I turn my back and I hear this. So just a reminder here for Bryce who wasn't here yesterday. Can someone remind him and me a few things we need to do when we're making a graph? What's the first thing we need, everybody here? And go ahead.
Label your axis.
There's my axis, okay? Even before that, what else do you need?
Use a ruler.
Use a ruler, very good. So if you need to borrow a ruler, please use a ruler. Of course you will have a ruler this weekend, right? If you don't have one. Okay, so there's this and there's this. There's my beautiful ruler. For me, I'm using my finger, but you guys will be using your ruler. Okay, so as we said yesterday, and Bryce, you weren't here, y is going up and down, and x is going up and right. So we're going to go to the top here, put an arrow, and put down a y, and over here and do an x. I'm going to put a plus, hold on please. I'm going to put a plus at the top. Can someone remind me from yesterday what the plus means? Why did I put a plus up there? Hey, you're in the zone today. Go ahead.
Positive, and then put minus down in the bottom for negatives.
Yeah, so if you take a look, we're going positive this way, negative that way, negative that way. Okay, so I'm just going to do my little table here. You probably don't have to go more than 5 each way, okay, but I'm going to go up a little bit more. As much as I can. Let's go the whole way. So again, just a reminder for everybody, and again, if you have questions, just raise your hand and Mrs. Moore or I will give you a hand here, okay? Remember, negatives go to the left and down, and positives go top and right. Mrs. Moore, anything else you wanted to tell them before they start graphing? Okay, make sure, and when I walked around yesterday, Mrs. Moore, somebody with 2 seats in front of you, just make sure that their graph is good as far as equal spacing, okay? Because we should be here, this line is 0, 1 down should be -1, then -2, -3. Some people by mistake will like skip 1 and make it 0, then -1, like for some reason, okay? So just be careful on there to get all your line graphed up perfectly. As well, Bryce, what I said yesterday in the class is that probably almost half the marks in the graph come from just some units. So if it's an 8-mark graph, probably about 3 marks for units. Okay, another 5 are actually what's on it, right? So just to make your graph look nice, okay, we'll Okay, so this is how we're going to graph this one. The first thing we're going to do is you're going to start at 1, because this is the starting point. So this is the first thing that we're doing here. So that's going to be 0 and 1, which is over 0 and up 1. Y-intercept means it crosses this line, okay? So you're going over 0 and up 1. That's going to be your y-intercept. Okay? If anyone doesn't remember how points go, x's and y's, please raise your hand. We'll get things organized here, okay? So again, 0 across and 1 up. And someone other than Caleb, be brave. Give me how I do what slope is helpful, what is helpful to us. Caleb, go ahead.
What we should do with that says you go down 3, so you go down to -2.
Yeah.
And you go right to 2. And then you should keep on doing it.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, someone other than Dalen. How do I know that looks correct? Why is that correct? What's going on? Sorry. Hudson, why is that correct?
Because it's in a straight line.
It's in a perfect straight line, right? So again, when you're doing this, if you notice there's curves and stuff, if the equation is the slope, if the slope equation is not in a straight line, right? Okay. Does some people remember this a little bit from last year? Because this is basically all we're using this for in this course. We're not going to anything else. I don't want maybe a little bit, not too much, so we'll do this, okay? All right, so I'm going to connect the dots next.
Sorry, I've never played Connect the Dots.
You've never played connect the dots before.
How about we just do that? Can we just play Connect the Dots? Please. We should do a roll.
Okay, this graph looks very, very good. Ethan?
Yeah.
Other than talking to your friend, you're also up next, so I'm going to pick on you right now. This graph is right now 7.5 out of 8. What do I need to do to make it easier for you? Right, what's a good title for this one?
Y equals -3.
No, not long.
Wow. Oh,
That's what that.
oh yeah.
It's not what you call it really.
Negative -3 over.
Just feel it's one.
Okay, I'm going to pause from the video. I want you guys to be brave and ask questions. If you need to, while the timer's off, okay?